How do I look?
You look amazing.
Whom do you like?
I like you the most.
Who is your boss?
You are my boss.
Which one is yours?
The red one is mine.
Whose bike is this?
It's my brother's bike.
When did you arrive?
I arrived just now.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy a ticket online.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Thank you. How much is this?
It's $5.
Oh, I don't understand. Please say that again.
It's $5.
Ah, okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. What's your job?
I'm learning English.
That's great.
Let's go to a cafe.
Sure. Can I have the menu?
Here you go.
What is your job?
I am a nurse.
When does the train arrive?
It arrives at 5 p.m.
Whose turn is it to cook?
It is my turn to cook.
Where did you go on vacation?
I went to the beach.
Which jacket do you prefer?
I prefer the black one.
How do you wash your clothes?
I use a washing machine.
Whom did you send a letter to?
I sent a letter to my uncle.
Why are you working late?
I'm working late to finish a project.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 10th.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m.
When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
When do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
When do you go shopping?
I go shopping on weekends.
When do you play sports?
I play sports in the evening.
When do you visit your friends?
I visit my friends on Saturdays.
Can you give this book to me?
Yes, I will give the book to you.
Did she buy a gift for you?
Yes, she bought a gift for me.
Will you send a message to him?
Yes, I will send a message to him.
Is this present for her?
Yes, it is for her.
Are you going to the market today?
Yes, I am going to the market.
Can you save the seat for me?
Yes, I will save the seat for you.
Who gave this gift to you?
My sister gave this gift to me.
Who fixed the car for them?
The mechanic fixed the car for them.